Let's work on our language arts, page 243, 248, and 251. 243 is called Words to Know. And here we have a pretty interesting page. We've had this one similar a few weeks ago, but here we have a very short story, but the last part of the story is missing. You can turn this into a little bit of a mini reader if you want to. By doing this, it says fold a piece of paper in half to make a book. So you could get a separate piece of white paper maybe, or any other color construction paper if you have some. Fold it in half and it's like you're making your own reader. And then it says cut out and paste the story parts on the pages in order. Write your own ending on the last page. So if you folded it like you fold a card, right? If you take that big piece of paper, just fold it in half, and then you open it up like a card, you would have the front cover, then you can open, you'd have page 2, 3, and then on the back would be page 4 that you need to complete on your own. But let's read the story together first so you know what it's all about. It says, a better idea. Buzz and Fuzz found a log. Let's divide it with an axe, said Buzz. I'm sure that will work. We have these big teeth, said Fuzz. We can chew the log in two. Buzz laughed too. Sure, he said. They hit the log. It didn't break. They tried a second time. Buzz shook his head. Fuzz began to laugh. Now our clues here, actually there are a few illustrations to help us out. What kind of creature do you think these are? Maybe my best guess could be like a beaver. I do see that they have a really big tail and those big sharp front teeth that are very good for chopping on wood. So your idea here, what do you think happens at the end of this story? First they try to chop the wood with an axe. Then they remember, oh yeah, we have these big teeth that can help us out. But when they've tried, it's not happening so far. You get to decide how this story ends on your own. If you want to go ahead, you can cut out all these rectangles, put them all on a separate part of a different page, and make your own reader. When you're ready, let's continue on to page 248. 248 is called the vowel plus R sound in store. So we have our vowel like the O here plus an R that's right next to it. So it's making the or, st, or, store. That's a silent E. Okay, go ahead and repeat after me. Store, corn, for, more, or, morning. Write a word from the box to complete each sentence. Number 1 says, good, And look here at your illustration as a clue. The sun is just starting to rise. So it's good morning. And you can check it off. Number 2, wake up. It's time, us to eat. It's time for. It's time for us to eat. And check it off. 3, do you want eggs? Toast. Do you want eggs or toast? Number 4, we need milk and eggs. We need more milk and eggs. And you can check it off. 5, we also need a can of We also need a can of store corn. Corn. 6. We'll go to the later. We'll go to the store later. Great job on this page. When you're ready, let's continue. We have one more page to do together, which is 251. Page 251 is Spelling Spree. Write the missing letters to complete each spelling word. Write the word. So here you have a beginning letter, the 2 missing letters. Take a look here at our list. What are the missing letters? It starts here with an F. There's only one word that starts with F, so we need to continue writing it. It's the word for. So we're going to write that O and an R, and then write the complete word on the line, for. And check it off. I'll let you complete 2 and 3 on your own. And then at the bottom part of the page, it says, proofread each sentence. Proofread means find the mistake. Circle each spelling word that is wrong and write it correctly. So look very carefully on 4, 5, and 6. Find the words that are spelled incorrectly, circle them, and write it correctly on the line. Here it's really helpful to make sure you're checking off as you work up above to help eliminate some of your options.